What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Aergo, which has pumped up in value just about 20% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at 22 cents. So it's been very volatile, as you can see, peaks and dips, just like how the crypto market has been performing. The crypto market is down quite majorly today, with Bitcoin dropping 11% down in the last 24 hours, which is not looking too great. And as you can see, the market is down nearly 9%. However, Aergo has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours, as you guys can see here. So let me just change this to USD, and what we're going to be looking at into today is it time to buy, is it time to sell, focusing on both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its next prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we can see here that in the last hour itself, I managed to gain a massive 20% up in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. So it's pumped up so much, guys. Over the week, 120% up. We did see it pump up a couple of days ago, all the way up to about 30 cents, and then it's dropped back down in value, and right now pumping back up. And over the month, it is a massive 70% up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 24% in the last 24 hours, making it $60 million, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Aergo. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention recently. As you can see, 65% buy against 35% sell. So let's get straight into it, guys. On the screen, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we've got the purple line here running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently giving us the average value of Aergo at 15 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value at 25 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. And yes, guys, for those of you asking, I am into crypto for the long term, even though there's a lot of money to be made in the short term. There is also, it's very easy to lose a lot of money when you do short term trading as well. So I tend to stick to long term investing. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning increases in value are expected over the coming hours. However, the only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, guys. I'm expecting it to drop back down in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. It should be trading below the 22 cents target. And again, guys, that doesn't mean we're not going to see any more pumps. It's going to be consistently dropping. Of course, we are going to see pumps. It may pump up to about 28 or even 30 cents over the next 4 or 5 hours, and then overall over the next 12 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting it to overall drop in value below the 22 cents target. But in between that time, it will be volatile. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking bullish, quite positive, going in a bullish direction, and they're looking quite steep as well. Again, same reason applies here. The only reason for that is because of the major increase that's taken place here, but I am expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, we should be trading below the 20 cents target, or around the 20 cents target is what I'm expecting. But again, exact same applies here. In between that time, we are going to see green and red candles. It's going to be volatile, just like how the crypto market has been. We saw Bitcoin pumping literally about 3-4 days ago, 10 20 sorry, not 20%, but about 10 to 12%, and right now it's dropping 12%. So yeah, it's been so volatile, not just in the last couple of days, but since the start of 2022. The crypto market has been moving absolutely crazy. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? It's still looking bullish, going in a positive direction, and we are looking very steep, guys, which means it is not realistic. And then once again, the exact same reason applies here. Again, over the coming weeks, so I'm talking about mid to late October and early November, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value on Aergo, potentially heading to about 35 to 40 cents towards the beginning of November is what I'm expecting. But at the moment, because of how the crypto market has been performing, it's been very volatile. But if you guys want regular updates on Aergo, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto. But yeah, so far for the short term, I'm expecting it to overall slightly slowly start to drop in value. However, over the next couple of weeks, we should be able to gain value in a slow and steady process. But again, dips are always part of the process, so don't expect it to be hitting green candles consistently over the next couple of weeks. Now, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are trading in the, well, just about the green zone. The resistance target is 26 cents, and we are very close to that 26 cents target. So we are literally in between the dark green and the green zone. Resistance line is where we are trading at the moment, and I'm expecting us to more or less trade in the green zone for now, even though over the next few hours we may head up into the dark green zone. It's very likely it's going to resist and then straight away drop back down into the green zone, just like what's happened before. Literally pumped up all the way up to the blue zone, straight away drop back down, and again about a couple of days ago, 2 days ago, we headed into the dark green zone and straight away drop back down, and currently trading into the resistance target. But what that could also mean is we are ready to break out. It's trying to break out, but it's failing every single time. So, you know, sooner or later we should be able to break out this point and be able to consistently trade into the dark green zone, which is about above the 26 cents target. But nothing like that is predicted as of yet anyway. So more or less, guys, for the rest of the week is likely that we are going to be trading in the green zone. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Aergo, guys. I've seen a lot of comments saying it's going to hit the dollar mark, it's going to hit $10 by the end of the year, so on and so on. Guys, we've still got a long way for us to hit the dollar mark. We're going to have to go through at least about a 300 to 400% increase for us to hit that. And again, even a 400% increase is absolutely crazy, and I'm not expecting anything like that as of yet from Aergo. So it's likely we are going to be trading between 25 to 30 cents for most of this month, and then potentially go upwards. But I'm not expecting us to hit the dollar mark anytime this year, potentially early next year, but so far nothing like that as of yet. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Aergo, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot, and I'm trying to hit the 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.